Hi guys, my name's Adam Valley. I'm the head strength and conditioning coach at Dynamic Footy Skills. Congratulations to you for signing up for the early bird offer for the DFS Elite Summer Training Program. Today I stand in the facility where I train my football players to improve their physical performance. Okay? As an early bird offer, you get the opportunity to meet me in this facility during the school holidays, and you can do that by booking in with me, and the details will be on the flyer and email. Okay? This day will consist of improving things like your speed, your agility, your vertical jump, your aerobic endurance, and I'll give you some tips and tricks along the way. Okay? Guys, I look forward to seeing you here, and congratulations again.